टाइम के साथ चेंज हो जाना भी एक कला है, आर्ट है। क्यों, सही कह रही हूँ ना? आई हैव चेंज माई सेल्फ अकॉर्डिंग टू द टाइम, बट सम पीपल हैव क्रिटिसाइज्ड मी फॉर दिस एंड थॉट दैट आई एम नॉट अ genuine person. But today I am going to discuss with you what is my morning routine these days. I am saying these days because before 2020 and COVID-19, my morning routine was little different. But when children are at home, studying online, these little changes natural. I am early riser. I always awake at 4 o'clock or sometime around 4:30 according to my convenience. And then my morning starts. Never forget to take my thyroxine medicine because it is essential for my health. And then my morning starts with doing yoga for at least half an hour. Good morning, everybody. 5:30 is going on, and it's time to take break. I'm going to take bath for the puja, so I meet you after some time. So till then, bye. Beta, get up. Get up. I'm going out. And after yoga, second work I do that I go to take bath and get ready for morning puja. I follow my puja routine properly. After finishing my puja, I directly come into the kitchen. Here I am in the kitchen and I am preparing lemon water and Arjun Chal tea for my husband. Now I am preparing tea for both of us, for me and my husband. He takes tea without sugar for health consciousness, but I cannot do this. I will add jaggery and ginger in the tea. And milk and almonds for my daughter. When I prepare tea and all, my husband till then finishes his yoga and exercise, and then both of us enjoy tea and discuss for the day. My son is sleeping yet because he has finished his final exam and he has no worry, no hurry. After serving tea, I'll awake him. My husband has taken his breakfast and went to his office.
ओह माय गॉड, अब काफ़ी टाइम हो गया है। अब मुझे अपनी बेटी को स्कूल छोड़ने जाना है। टाइम देखिए कितने बज गए, 10:15 हो रहे हैं और मुझे उसे 11 o'clock तक स्कूल छोड़ने जाना है। तो मैं अभी जल्दी जल्दी अपने बेटे को तैयार करूँगी और मेरी बेटी तैयार हो रही है तो फिर मैं अभी उसके लिए ब्रेकफास्ट बनाऊँगी। मेरी बेटी तैयार हो रही है स्कूल जाने के लिए। उसके स्कूल सेकेंड शिफ्ट में हो रहे हैं आजकल कोरोना के वजह से, तो इसी वजह से मुझे अभी उसको छोड़ने जाना पड़ेगा। तो वो तैयार हो रही है, अब मैं बेटे को तैयार करने जा रही हूँ।
In these days, when the timings of school and offices are irregular, I am trying to keep light breakfast because in the afternoon my husband comes with my daughter and we all take lunch together. Today I am going to serve omelette, bread and curd for the breakfast. This is healthy and cooked in no time. Above all, everybody likes to eat it. So और क्या चाहिए? Now I am going to get ready because my daughter's school timing is nowadays is from 11 o'clock because of Corona. Her school is running in 2 shifts. She goes in second shift, so I cannot get time for dusting and cleaning this time. So these days I usually do all these chores when I come back after leaving her for the school. Now I have changed my dress and my cleaning and dusting will go hand in hand. It's 12:30 afternoon and I have finished almost all my daily morning chores and cleaning and dusting routine as I follow every day. I feel free and proud this time and like to sit quiet with my phone or my diary to write some new ideas to decorate and organize home.
My morning cleaning and dusting routine is over. Now I'm free.
So friends, this is my everyday morning routine. I hope you will like it. Please share, subscribe and comment, and for the latest video don't forget to click the notification bell. So friends, bye and thanks for watching. Bye. Love you all.